Although most of the cargo and most passengers on our boat are staying on board to Iquitos, the boat does make quite a few stops at villages en route for a few people to get on and off, and for small amounts of cargo to be offloaded or brought on. The villagers also take the opportunity to sell us some of their local delicacies.
What do you have there? Ooh. Can I have one? Un sol?
Mm-hmm.
Okay. All right. We've got some grubs from a village girl. She brought them on board. Breakfast? They're from palm trees, and they're sort of big, fat, formerly squiggly grubs that have been cooked in palm oil. I might not have another, but it's good to try one.
It's only a short stop, but while we wait on board for cargo to be loaded or offloaded, in this case plantains coming on and rice being taken off, we've got time to spot some of the Amazon's unique wildlife, river dolphins.
Oh, there's a huge one right there. We've stopped, see those dolphins? We've stopped at a confluence of rivers, and there's slower moving water, so that's why the dolphins hang out here, because there's fish. Oh, look at them. See them surfacing right there? It's so strange that there's dolphins in a river, isn't it? Whoa.
Here in the Peruvian Amazon, there are 2 different species of dolphins. Most of the river dolphins here are the more commonly seen gray ones, but we also get a couple of tantalizing glimpses of the unique and rarely seen pink river dolphin, which is found only here in the Amazon.
Oh, there's a pink one. Out of nowhere, a pink one. Right there.